Ayan. And accentuated by big diamonds. Ayan. And a very striking royal blue gown. A gown of 2009 collections by Beckart Adral, isa sa mga kilala sa Marikina. Yes, correct. It's a 2009 collection. Ayan. Ang buhok niya po ay nalalagyan ng maraming stars na makikinahang. Thank you, Miss Christina Hermosa. Next in line, let's call on Miss Pauline Luna, contestant number 26. She's 20 years old, a college student of B.S. Tourism from Pamantasan, ng lungsod ng Maynila. And she believed that what is beauty if the brain is empty? Judges 26, papapalikan namin yung 24 ulit. Eh, wala po sa aming listahan kasi yung listahan ng 24, so medyo nagkakaroon. But this is contestant number 26. 26. And she's wearing Chinese-inspired gray and black gown. Ayan. Accentuated with sequins and cat beads and rhinestone on the lower part of the gown. It's a Chinese-inspired collection. A gown designed by Mr. Eddie Badeo. Let's contestant